Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG, the original glam bag for the month of August. I will pop deets and everything right here, but the basic premise is you get 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we get very lucky and get a full size item, and a makeup cosmetics bag, all for around $14 a month. I have gotten my Ipsy Glam bag. I pay for this myself and I've received it for over 10 years and I swear by it. I think it is a wonderful value. Especially, I feel like sometimes people forget that even when we go to buy, and we recently went on vacation, even when I was looking at little tiny mini deodorants and stuff, they're now $2.97 and $3.97 a piece. So when I kind of view that and look at that I'm getting higher end, name brand products and stuff like that, $14 for 5 products and a makeup bag is well worth it to me and in my opinion. This bag is cute, and I don't always like the bags, y'all know. It's a beautiful kind of brown like faux leather, but I like that it's kind of a more warm like camel-y color. That's my favorite tone. And then we have the beautiful stripes right here, the zipper pull. Oh, it kind of looks like a door knocker or something. Okay, the bag this month, hella cute. We normally have a little pamphlet in here, yes we do, and we have a theme. The theme is Get Golden. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing no matter what's next. August 2025. It'll usually tell us our products in here, how to use them, pricing, and everything else. I'll run that down when we're done looking. First up, dang! I ended up getting one of these in my add-ons. It's fine though. This is the First Light Super Fine Ultra Beaming Highlighter from Seraphine Botanicals. I'm not sure if this exact same shade as the one that I just unboxed in my Ipsy Icon box for my add-ons. Yes it is. So I am going to go ahead and pass that along. I'll put it in my resale group, which is always linked down below. I do giveaways, things like that. But I do like it and it's really pretty. I actually did demo it in my previous video and it's really beautiful. It does accentuate, it's a little bit more kind of dusty, so it does accentuate texture if you do have texture or larger pores like your girl. Next up, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. Next up is the Joy Face Deep Cleansing Facial Treatment for Daily Light and Glow with Aloe Vera. What exactly are you? Deep Cleansing Facial Treatment for Daily Light and Glow. I'm perplexed, y'all. Hold on. Let's see. This formula removes buildup while supporting hydration with aloe, glycerin, and a hyaluronic acid complex. Wet your face, warm with rinse with cool water. So I'm guessing it's just a standard cleanser, but they're trying to tell you that like it's going to give added glow. I really, really like the packaging. And I haven't tried, I don't think I've ever even heard of this, or unless Tiger Love is the brand. I'll obviously know that in just a second when I read up on the deets, y'all. Okay, that packaging is hella cute. That's really, really cute. And again, I like having stuff like this for when I travel and stuff. Plus, it's I like that it's an affordable way to try new brands. Like, I've never heard of this before. Okay, next up is the Hey Honey cult classic in Ipsy Glam bag, if you've been there for a while. This is the Hey Honey Prime Mate Luminous Priming Base. Ooh, that sounds awesome. All right, and then last but not least is the Beauty Vault Lengthening Mascara. I am not going to open this because I did also receive one in my icon box and I did demo that one, so obviously I can't demo this one. So we have 1 makeup product, 2 makeup products. We have a priming base. We have our deep cleansing facial treatment for glow and then our Clinique. So I like that they are kind of pushing us into trying to make sure that we're staying a little bit more hydrated and glowy and stuff like that as we kind of move into the cooler months. All right, we'll go down our deets. First up, the Seraphine Botanicals First Light Super Fine Ultra Beaming Highlighter in Melon Sorbet. This super fine formula melts into the skin with 0 weight and max dazzle, delivering a soft, prismatic, frosty champagne sheen that flatters from every angle. Plus, it's infused with milk thistle, echinacea, and papaya extracts to help give your glow a side of skincare. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $28. Next up, the Tiger Love Joy Face Deep Cleansing Facial Treatment. This luxurious soap-free cream cleanser melts away makeup, SPF, and impurities while helping to brighten and nourish your skin without stripping or drying the skin. This sounds incredible, you guys. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $68. And that's something that I really love. If I try this and it's literally the best thing since sliced bread, and then I happen to see it, you know, maybe on sale from that $68 price point, then maybe I would buy it. If I were to purchase $68 for the full size and I hate it, I'm kind of out that $68. So I love that. I really love the preface of being able to try a ton of different products for a very affordable price. Then if we fall in love with them, we can kind of choose whether we want to partake and spend full price. All right, next up was our Hey Honey. This is the Hey Honey Prime Mate Facial Primer. This quick absorbing gel primer creates a smooth, matte, finish while locking in moisture. Starch-based ingredients and emollients form a protective barrier that helps makeup stay put all day. Plus, orange, pink pigments and mica powder help to smooth lines for a blurred look. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $29. I'm actually really intrigued by that now. Let me kind of show this to you guys up close. Like, you can see the color of it there. If you guys want to maybe see me demo this, let me know and I'll do that for y'all. And then last up is our mascara, the Beauty Vault Lengthening Mascara in Black. The pigment is bold, the wear is bulletproof, and the vibe is full glam. Whether you're on a hot date or on a hot streak of meetings. And because the formula is designed to thicken and define without clumping, your lashes stay fluttery, not spidery. And this is a full size for 18 bucks. So literally just this pays for the entirety of the whole bag. Again, I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck, you guys. And then nothing here goes to waste. I do a ton of giveaways and stuff like that. And, you know, I have my resale group. Of course, I have friends and family that I can kind of gift things to. So, yeah, nothing goes to waste. I am actually going to give this a 5 out of 5. I think it was a really nicely curated bag. And there are a lot of things in here that I've never tried, brands that I've not heard of or tried, things I'm really, really excited about trying. This right here. And if you've tried anything, please let me know. Are we bag twins? I'd also like to know that. What did you guys think? Let me know. Let's have that conversation down below. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I know I can do it with your help. So if you do see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and you can tap the join button to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.